Hello, welcome to Adam Decodes Maths. My name is Adam and I am 9 years old. Today we will be learning about negative numbers. What is a negative number and how would you recognize them? Negative numbers are less than 0 and have a minus sign in front of them. For example, -2. Can you think of an example when negative numbers are used? A good example is the weather. In winter, temperature can drop to -1 or -2, meaning it's very cold. To understand negative numbers, let's look at a number line. Let's start from 0. All numbers on the right-hand side of a number line are positive numbers, all the way up to infinity. Numbers on the left-hand side of a number line are negative numbers. The negative numbers are a reflection of the positive numbers. Only they have a minus sign. Here's a challenge for you. Which of the following numbers are negative numbers? Remember to look out for the minus sign. So negative numbers here are -4, -18, and -46. The most interesting fact about negative number is that the further away they are from 0, the smaller they are in value. Let's see how this works. On the right-hand side, the further away a number is from 0, the bigger it is. For example, 5 is bigger than 2. On the left-hand side, it's the opposite. For example, -4 is further away from 0 compared to -1. So -4 is smaller than -1. So which of the following numbers is smaller, -8 or -2? The correct answer is -8 because it is further away from 0. Let's recap. Negative numbers always have a minus sign in front of them. The further away it is from 0, the smaller its value. Here's a little homework for you. Can you work out the smallest numbers from the following? Remember to comment down below with the correct answer. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with your whole family and friends. And hit the bell to receive the notifications when I make any new videos. Come back next week to watch part 2 of negative numbers. Bye!